Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and I am so excited to share with you a Kidology Splash Pad. For kids, an amazing inflatable sprinkle water play mate that's perfect for summer fun. At 58 inches, this splash pad is designed for toddler and the children's age 3 to 10, and it's the ultimate outdoor backyard toy that brings joy and laughter to your sunny days. Just imagine your little ones splashing around, giggling, and making unforgettable memories. One of the standout features of the Kidology Splash Pad is non-slip surface. This means your kids can run, jump, play without worrying about slipping or sliding. It's designed for safety. Well, they have the time of their lives. Setting it up is a breeze, and just inflate it, connect it to your garden house, and watch as the water sprays out, creating a refreshing oasis right is your backyard. Whether you are hosting a play date or just enjoying a family days outside, this splash pad is sure to keep everyone entertained for hours. And let's not forget about the benefits. Not only does it provide endless fun, but it also encourages outdoor play and physical activities. It's a great way for kids to cool off and during those hot summer months while developing their motor skills. So if you are looking for the perfect summer toy that combines safety, fun, and excitement, look no further. That's the Kidology Splash Pad. Grab your today and make this summer one to remember. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing product review. Till then, bye, take care guys. Thank you for watching my video.